even in silence, life is arranging something better for you. Welcome, beautiful soul. Take a slow, gentle breath in and exhale softly. Allow yourself to arrive here just as you are. There is nothing you need to prove, nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to earn. For these next few minutes, simply allow yourself to be held by this moment. Notice the surface beneath you. Notice the air touching your skin. Notice the steady rhythm of your breath. Life has carried you through every challenge, every uncertainty, every unexpected turn. And even now, in ways you may not fully understand, life is still supporting you. You may not see all the pieces yet. You may not know how everything will unfold. But support does not disappear simply because it is invisible. Today, allow yourself to consider a gentle possibility. What if life is helping you in ways you cannot yet see? Take a breath and let that question settle softly into your heart. So much of what sustains us remains unseen. The roots beneath the tree, the currents beneath the ocean, the heartbeat that continues without our conscious effort. And perhaps there are blessings moving toward you right now that have not yet arrived. Perhaps there are doors quietly opening. Perhaps there are opportunities gathering momentum. Perhaps there are people, circumstances, and solutions aligning in ways you cannot yet imagine. You do not need to force everything into place. You do not need to carry the entire weight of your future. For a moment, allow yourself to release that burden. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, whisper within, I am willing to trust the support that surrounds me. Again, I am willing to trust the support that surrounds me. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw relax. And allow yourself to rest in the possibility that you are not alone and the divine guiding force is with you. Imagine yourself walking along a beautiful path. The morning sun is rising. Golden light spills gently across the landscape. The air feels fresh, calm, and alive. As you walk, you notice that the path beneath your feet is smooth and steady. You don't need to know every turn ahead. You only need to take the next step. Along the path are small signs of support. A warm smile, a helping hand, a timely opportunity, a moment of unexpected clarity, a feeling of peace arriving exactly when you need it. And as you continue walking, you realize something profound. You have never truly walked alone. Life has been leaving little gifts all along the way. Some you noticed, some you missed, yet they were always there. Take a moment to feel that truth. You are supported. You are guided. You are cared for more deeply than you realize. Bring your attention now to the support already present in your life. Perhaps it is your health, your resilience, your loved ones, the roof above your head, the food on your table, the lessons that made you stronger, the opportunities that helped you grow, the simple fact that you are here, breathing, living, and becoming. Gratitude does not require perfection. It simply invites us to notice what is already working, what is already beautiful, what is already enough. With each breath, allow gratitude to gently expand within you. Silently repeat, "Thank you for the support I can see. Thank you for the support I cannot yet see. Thank you for the blessings already on their way." Feel appreciation filling your heart, like sunlight warming every corner of your being. Now allow these affirmations to settle deeply within you. Repeat them slowly in your mind. I am supported in visible and invisible ways. Life is working with me, not against me. I trust that everything is unfolding at the right pace. I am guided toward what is meant for me. I release the need to control every outcome. I am safe to trust the journey. The help I need arrives at the perfect time. Opportunities are finding their way to me. I am worthy of support, love, and abundance. My future is filled with possibilities. I am becoming stronger, wiser, and more confident every day. Allow these words to become more than thoughts. Allow them to become a feeling, a knowing, a quiet certainty within. There comes a time when growth is no longer about striving. It becomes about receiving help, receiving love, receiving joy, receiving abundance, receiving peace. Imagine your heart gently opening like a flower, turning toward the morning sun. You no longer need to chase every blessing. Some blessings arrive when you simply become available to them. Take a deep breath in and imagine yourself breathing in support, breathing in guidance, breathing in possibility, breathing in grace. Silently repeat, I am open to receive. I am open to receive love. I am open to receive abundance. I am open to receive unexpected blessings. I am open to receive all that serves my highest good. Feel yourself becoming receptive, relaxed, trusting, ready. Remember, you do not need to have all the answers today. You do not need to know every step. You do not need to carry every burden alone. Life is moving. Life is responding. Life is supporting you. Even now, even here, even in ways you cannot yet see. May you walk forward with greater trust. May you recognize the blessings already surrounding you. May hope fill your heart. May gratitude strengthen your spirit. And may you remain open to receiving all the good that is making its way toward you. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. Carry this feeling of support with you throughout your day. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What is the one thing you've been waiting, hoping, or praying for? Thank you for being here, and remember, you are more supported than you realize, and beautiful things are still unfolding